Hey guys, welcome to YLOC first grade lesson number 11. Make sure you write down your name and the date. Okay, it says fact families 11 and 12. Find the sums and differences for each fact family. Use the number line if you need help. So for this one, we'll be using the number line since we're doing it together. Okay, so question number 1. 2 plus 9. So we'll start at 2 and count 9 spaces. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we landed on 11, so 2 plus 9 equals 11. And 9 plus 2 is also 11 because they're in the same fact family. It's just a switch. It just switched the other way around. Now 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 equals 9 because they're also in the same fact family. And 11 minus 9 equals 2 because it's the same fact family. But we can use the number line. So we could do 11 minus 2 first. So start from 11 and count back 2 spaces. 1, 2, which is 9. But if it's 11 minus 9, you start from 11 and count back 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it'll be 2 because, and you'll count backwards since we're subtracting and not adding. If you're adding, you'll count up. Okay, let's answer question number 4 without using the number line. 5 plus 6 equals 11, and 6 plus 5 also equals 11 because it's just switched. But it's the same numbers, but the order doesn't matter. So now 11 minus 5 would equal 6, and 11 minus 6 would equal 5. These look like they aren't in the same fact family, but they are. This fact family would be 11, 5, and 6. And if in this equation 11 minus 6, 11 and 6 were already used, then the answer would be 5. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Practice facts of 0 through 12. Find each sum and difference. Circle the clown with the greatest answer. The first one is done for you. So we can do this whole entire page since we need to circle the clown with the greatest answer. Okay, so let's look at what we're doing here at the question number 1. 9 plus 3 equals 12, and I'm looking at it over here, and we're reading it downwards like this. So 9 plus 3 equals 12, and now 12 minus 6 equals 6, and 6 minus 3 equals 3, which is our final answer. Okay, let's start question 2. 4 plus 7 equals 11, and now 11 minus 6, which, because we're reading like this, like down. Now 11 minus 6 equals 5, and you need to be careful answering these questions because if you get the previous answer wrong, then your whole entire thing is wrong. But now 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, question 3. 12 minus 8 equals 4, and 4 minus 4 equals 0, and 0 plus 5 equals 5. So that's our final answer. 0 plus 9 equals 9. Remember, if it's adding or subtracting to 0, your answer always stays the same. and it will never be 0 unless it's 9 minus 9. Okay, 9 plus 2 equals 11, and 11 minus 7 equals 4. So our final answer is 4. Question 5. 7 minus 3 equals 4, and 8 plus 4 plus 8 equals 12, and 12 minus 4 equals 8. Last question, question 6. 5 plus 2 equals 7, and 7 minus 4 equals 3, and 3 minus 2 equals 1. So now it's asking you, circle the clown with the greatest answer. And the greatest answer means the biggest number. So we gotta look at all these numbers and see which one's the biggest one. And 10 is the biggest one, so we'll circle this clown right on top. Just like that. Okay. Now, page 3. We'll just answer box number, or the second box right here. Okay. So, 3 add-ins. The numbers you add are called add-ins. You can add 3 numbers in different ways. Add the numbers in order. Add the first 2 numbers, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then add the third number, 6 plus 6 equals 12. Or look for a 10. Look for 2 numbers with the sum of 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Then add the third number, 10 plus 2 equals 12. Okay, let's try it out now. Let's start with question number 5. So 4 plus 7 plus 1, none of them equal a sum of 10. So let's answer them just in order. So 4 plus 7 equals 11. And now 11 plus 1 equals 12. Okay, question 6. None of these answers add up to a sum of 10, so we'll just add them in order again. 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, question 7. So it looks like 3 and 7 add up to 10. So now we just need to do 10 plus 1, which equals 11. Question 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10, and 10 plus 2 equals 12. Okay, and questions 1 through 4 and 9 through 12 are all the same. And we won't go over the last page because it's the same thing as the page 2, but this one's a little different because you need to get a riddle. So if, for example, we'll just do question number 1. 8 plus 2 equals 10, and 10 minus 8 equals 2, and 2 plus 7 equals 9. So here, down here, we'll look for the code, which our code is 9. And look, right on the bottom, it's an L. So that will be our answer. And you keep going. So just for an example, but this isn't our actual answer. If our actual answer was 6, then I'll put a K, and so on and so forth. Okay, that's it